So here, hi, good morning all. This is Asu and welcome to the Think Tree Technologies. Today we will get to know that how we can set up the SAP GUI in our system. So the first thing we will do, we just go in this link. I will put this link in the description as well. Go here and it will ask you for the email address. I did it earlier, so it not ask you. Just put your email address and click on access. It will come here and just click on the download and download anyway. Then it will start. It will start to be downloading. Let the downloading complete. Like here, just go in the files and go in the downloads. Here you will find out this file. Click here. Click on the extract all or extract files and hit enter. It will start extracting. Yeah, so it's completed. So here you can see this file. After extracting, you will get this file. Just open it. Go in this folder. Open press 1. Open GUI. Windows. Win32. And here we will get an option setup on this one. You can see it is an application. Just double click on it and click on this. It will ask you, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click yes, and then you will get this folder. It will proceed for some time. Just click next, then click on the select all and click on the next, and it will start install. Yeah, here. So our SAP GUI is installed. Just click on close. Here you can see this icon. So here we got the SAP logo. Just open it, and we can now. I had this application earlier as well, so we have these connections. But you need to make one. How we can do that? For that, just go this icon, new. Click here. Click on connection. You will get this type of view. Click on next. These details are mentioned in this email here. So just according to your server, just enter the details like I'm entering for the FI. Just make sure to keep the details are the same. And click next. Then again next. Click on finish. Yeah, the new connection is added just now. This one. Now we have downloaded it, but you need to download the SAP VPN as well. We will talk about this in a separate video. I will provide you this video shortly. Thank you.